action figure heroes and fun. They fight bad guys and get things done. B is for ball that bounces so high. Throw it, catch it, or kick to the sky. C is for car, small and fast, zooming around so very fast. D is for doll, soft and sweet. Dress her up and take a seat. E is for elephant, toy big and gray. Trunk that wiggles, ready to play. F is for frisbee, flying through the air. Catch it quick if you dare.
G is for guitar toy, strum a tune, playing songs that make you swoon. H is for hopscotch, a game on the ground.
Jump from square to square. Look around.
I is for igloo set, build with blocks, a chilly playhouse that really rocks. J is for jump rope, skipping with cheer. Count your jumps as friends draw near.
K is for kite, flying high in the sky. Watch it soar and say hi. L is for Lego, blocks to build, castles and cars, fun fulfilled.
M is for marbles, rolling round, playing games on the ground.
N is for net, catch a ball or bug. Use it gently, give a hug. O is for origami, folding paper fine,
Making shapes that shine and shine.
P is for puzzle, pieces fit tight.
Put them together.
Just right. Q is for quoits, rings to throw. Aim carefully, ready, go. R is for robot toy, moving and bright. Beeping sounds day and night. S is for stuffed animal, soft and sweet. A cuddly friend you love to meet. T is for train set, tracks all around. Chug, chug, chugging, clickety sound.
U is for umbrella toy, open it wide. Pretend to walk in rain outside.
V is for Voila, magic kit. Tricks and fun, a perfect fit.
W is for wooden blocks, stack them high. Build towers that reach the sky.
X is for xylophone, notes so bright.
Tap the keys, a musical delight.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Spin it fast and don't let it drown. Z is for zebra toy, striped and neat. A playful friend you love to meet.